family-owned food truck right here based out of Tampa Bay. We have hand-cut fries, sandwiches. We really do try to change our menu and add different things all the time.
We have the shredder burger, which we're known for, the shredder burger, which is a quarter-pound patty topped with cheddar cheese with the nice cheddar cheese ring around it. We have our handcrafted coleslaw and french fries on top of that, all on top of a Cuban roll.
They can expect very fresh food that has never been frozen, that's made to order and to your liking.